How to log out of Kakao Talk application. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you log out of your Kakao Talk application. So let's get started. Unfortunately, there is no any such features like you can log out of your Kakao application from the app. So from here you will have to do extra effort. So for that you will have to back from here, and now from here you will have to open your device settings. So simply open the settings, and now from here you'll have to scroll down and find the options like apps. So simply after finding that, you have to open it. Alright, in the app section you have to scroll down and find the apps Kakao. Alright, so after you find the Kakao Talk app, you have to open it. And now from here you'll have to scroll down and go the option storage. So it usually on the usages section, so simply you have to tap on it. And now from here, as usual, you have to click on that clear data option. So simply tap on the clear data and tap on the OK. Okay, so after you clear the data of Kakao Talk application, you will be able to sign out of your Kakao Talk application. And if you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.